The Philippine Food and Drug Administration announced it has approved the emergency use of AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine. Meanwhile, the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao is seeking halal certification on approved vaccines. Aiko Miguel will give us the details in this live report. Aiko, go ahead.
Yes, Diego, good evening. COVID-19 vaccine AstraZeneca is the second COVID-19 vaccine to have secured an emergency use authorization in the Philippines after Pfizer-BioNTech's COVID-19 vaccine last January 14. According to FDA Director General Eric Domingo, they have granted COVID-19 vaccine AstraZeneca after meeting all conditions for an EUA, and its benefits outweighs the potential risk. Here is Food and Drug Administration Director General Undersecretary Eric Domingo.
After a thorough review of the currently available data by our medical and regulatory experts, the FDA is granting an emergency use authorization to the COVID-19 vaccine AstraZeneca.
Based on the interim data from the ongoing Phase 3 trials, the vaccine has an efficacy rate of 70% after the first dose. The efficacy rate after the second dose is still being determined. Based on the presented indications of the vaccine, it can be administered to 18-year-olds and above. It can also be given to those with comorbidity but in a stable condition. Health professionals has to assess first their condition before being inoculated with it. But AstraZeneca's vaccine can be administered to pregnant women as recommended by the World Health Organization. According to DG Domingo, there are no reported serious adverse effects on people who have been inoculated with it in other countries, except from regular side effects experienced after being inoculated, like pain and tenderness in the injection site, fatigue, headaches, feverishness, and myalgia or muscle pain. Second dose of COVID-19 vaccine AstraZeneca can be given 4 to 12 weeks after receiving its first dose.
It is very good in preventing severe COVID-19. Halos 100% din. Kaya lang syempre medyo maliit pa yung datos nila at ma-update pa yan as we get more data on the people who are included in the clinical trial.
Meanwhile, Diego, the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao is seeking to have halal certification on COVID-19 vaccines. According to FDA, some vaccine manufacturers have considered seeking halal certification, but experts are still evaluating whether they should be given with it in the country.
Yung Pfizer, ang sabi nila, they're still working on halal certification. Ito pong AstraZeneca, meron po silang certification na na walang animal products or animal source na ginamit sa kanilang bakuna, but I believe they are still also working on a halal certification. Ang halal certified actually is yung Sinovac, dahil ito po yung ginagamit sa Indonesia and they got a halal certification from Indonesia.
Diego, currently experts are evaluating the application of Gamaleya, Sinovac, and BioNTech or biotech. The FDA is also waiting for the EUA application of Moderna, Janssen of Johnson & Johnson, and Sinopharm. The government is expecting 17 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine AstraZeneca to be delivered in the country in the coming months. And that is the latest live. Back to you, Diego.
Thank you, Aiko Miguel, reporting live.